Hello, students of class 8. Okay, your chapter 6 is going on. This is chapter 6C. Okay, in chapter 6C, what you have to do? You have to learn about the division. So, I have done some of the sums. You can note it down in your copy, and other sums you have to do. So, first, what I have done, you can see here, that is question number 1, 4. What is the question? Minus 56 mnp square divided by 7n mnp square. This is the question. It can be done in two ways. Both the ways I am showing here. You can see it. First one is minus 56 mnp square by 7 mnp square. This I have written. So simply you can cut it as you have done earlier in previous class also. 7 8s are 56. So if I cut 56 minus 56 by 7, I can get minus 8. Then m and m will cut, n and n will cut, and in the numerator p square is there, denominator p is there. So p square and p cut, it will be left only with p. So your answer is minus 8p. In another way also I have shown, you can do it in this way also, that is division of number. You can write separately inside bracket minus 56 divided by 7, m to the power 1 minus 1, n to the power 1 minus 1, and p to the power 2 minus 1. Because if the base is same and power is different, if you have to divide, then the power has to be subtracted. So you are getting minus 8, m to the power 0, n to the power 0, and p to the power 1. So m to the power 0, n to the power 0 means 1, anything power 0 means 1. So ultimately the answer is minus 8p. Same answer you are getting. Okay. So this is one example I have done, not example, it is there in the exercise. Now question number 2, 4. Question number 1, all you can do in this way, whatever way is easier for you. Question number 2, 4. 12x to the power 4 plus 8x to the power cube minus 6x square divided by minus 2x square. This can also be done in two ways. I have done both the ways. One of the way is each number which are there, means whatever number has to be divided, you separate them using the signs. That is 12x square divided by minus 2x square separately write, plus 8x cube by minus 2x cube x square separately you write, minus 6x square minus 2x square separately you write. Now if you cut 12 by minus 2, you are going to get minus 6. If you cut x to the power 4 by x square, you are going to get x square. Now similarly 8, when you will cut with minus 2, you will get minus 4. X cube, if you cut with x square, you are going to get x, and then minus minus sign will cut. 2 3s are 6, x square will cut. So your answer is minus 6x square minus 4x plus 3. You can do the division in another way also, that I have shown here. Okay. So minus 2x square, the division that you do in normal division, in that way also it can be done. My first number is 12x to the power 4. So I have to multiply something with minus 2x square to get 12x to the power 4. If I multiply minus 6x square with minus 2x square, I can get 12x to the power 4. That only I have done, and I have written it in place of quotient. So minus 6x square when multiplied with minus 2x square, I am getting 12x to the power 4. If I subtract, then 12x to the power 4 minus 12x to the power 4 is 0. Now I am going to bring 8x cube. So I brought it here. Now again minus 2x square into minus 4x will give you plus 8x cube, and then again subtraction, 0 will come. Now you bring down minus 6x square minus 2x square into plus 3 will give you minus 6x square. That only I have written in place of quotient. And so if you subtract minus 6x square minus 6x square, it will become plus, and ultimately the remainder is 0. So you are getting the quotient as minus 6x square minus 4x plus 3, and quotient remainder is 0. This is the question. So same answer in the previous way also you got. Okay. Now come to the next question, that is question number 4. In question number 4, the question is x square minus 4 divided by x plus 2. So normal way of division, that way only it has been done. I have to find out a number by which x has to be multiplied to get the answer as x square. So x into x is x square, and x into 2 means whatever is I am writing in place of quotient, I have to multiply both, that is x plus 2 whole with that number. So x into x is x square, x into plus 2 is plus 2x, that only I have written. Now if I subtract x square minus x square is 0, what will come down? Minus 2x and minus 4, both are going to come down. Now I have to find out that by what number I will multiply x so that the answer is becoming minus 2x. I will multiply minus 2 with x, so minus 2 into x is minus 2x, and minus 2 into plus 2 is minus 4. Now if I subtract, I am going to get 0 as remainder. So here quotient is x minus 2, remainder is only 0. Next is question number 8. Question number 8, 6x square minus 31x plus 47 divided by 2x minus 5. The way I should do the division, same way I have written. You have to follow the same method what I told earlier. So you have to multiply 2x with a number to get 6x square. So 3x into 2x will give you 6x square, and 3x into minus 5 will give you minus 15x. That I have written just below minus 31x. So 6x square minus 6x square is 0, that I cut, and minus 31x plus 15x, answer will be minus 16x, and now I will bring down plus 47 here. Now I have to find out that by what number I should multiply 2x to get minus 16. So if I multiply minus 8 with 2x, I will get minus 16. So 2x into minus 8 is minus 16, and minus minus is plus, 5 into 8 is plus 40. If I subtract, then the sign will change. So 16x minus 16x is 0. 47 minus 40 is 7. So quotient is 3x minus 8, and remainder is 7. This is all about question number 8. Now about question number 12. The question is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. So if I divide, I have to multiply x square with a number so that I can get x cube. So x square into x is x cube. Now I have to multiply x with minus 5x and x with plus 6. X with minus 5x I will get minus 5x square. X with plus 6 I will get 6x. Now after subtraction, x cube and x cube they cut, and minus 6x square plus 5x square will give you minus x square, plus 11x minus 6x will give you plus 5x, and minus 6 is there, that will come down. So now I have to find out a number by which x square is going to be multiplied to give you minus x square. So I have taken minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied with x square will give you minus x square. Minus 1 multiplied with minus 5x will give you plus 5x. Minus 1 multiplied with plus 6 will give you minus 6. So after subtraction, everything will cut and the remainder will be 0. So the quotient is x minus 1 and remainder is 0. Another example I have done for you. This is the last question I have done for you, that is question number 15. Question number 15, 2x square plus x minus 1. By this you have to divide 8x to the power 4 plus 10x cube minus 5x square minus 4x plus 1. The number is a little bit larger, but there is no difficulty. If you understood, you can do all the sums. You just have to practice. If you practice, you can do everything. So again I am finding some number by which 2x square should be multiplied to get 8x to the power 4. So if I multiply 4x square with 2x square, I can get 8x to the power 4. Now 4x square into 2x square will give you 8x to the power 4, and 4x square with x will give you 4x cube, and 4x square with minus 1 will give you minus 4x square. If you subtract, what you are going to get? If you subtract 8x to the power 4 and 8x to the power 4 will cut, then 10x to the x cube minus 4x cube will give you the answer as 6x cube. Minus 5x square plus 4x square will give you the answer as minus x cube, and I will bring down minus 4x from the sum. So now I am left behind with 6x cube minus x square minus 4x. I have to find out a number by which 2x square is going to be multiplied to give me 6x cube. So I got the number as plus 3x. Plus 3x into 2x square is going to give me 6x cube. Again plus 3x into x is going to give me 3x square, and plus 3x with minus 1 is going to give me minus 3x. Now subtract the numbers. If I subtract, the sign will change. So after changing the sign, what I am going to get? Minus x square minus 3x square is minus 4x square. And this one to automatically will cut down, that is 6x cube minus 6x cube 0. Now minus 4x plus 3x will give you minus x, and plus 1 will come down. So now I have to find out a number that will be multiplied with 2x square to get minus 4x square. So only minus 2 I have to multiply. Minus 2 into 2x square is going to give me minus 4x square. Minus 2 into plus x will give you minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 1 will give me plus 2. Now again subtraction. Minus 4x square plus 4x square is 0. Minus x plus 2x is only x. Plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So I am getting the quotient as 4x square plus 3x minus 2, and remainder as x minus 1. So this is very easy, and this kind of sum you have done in the earlier class also. Only you need to practice. The more you will practice, more you will become perfect. So I hope it will be easier for you to follow this chapter. Okay, thank you very much.